Xiamen Health Reach Company Limited is professional manufacturer of high-quality medical devices, such as compressor nebulizers, medical anti-decubitus air mattresses, wheelchair cushions, water beds, pressure leg air massagers, suction machine, oxygen concentrator in China. Our products are manufactured from superior materials using modern technology. We have advanced 225 kilowatt frequency machines, auto cutting machines, screwing robots. A long operating lifetime and incomparable quality are characteristics of every product we produced. After stringent quality control, the products are ready for shipping to customers worldwide. We have numerous customers in Europe, Americas, Asia, Africa, Middle East, and other regions. The amount of sales keep at least 30% rapid growing 5 years in a row. Every year, more than 2 million families, over 150 countries or areas customers, are enjoying our home healthcare technologies, products, and services. All of our products are CE 510K and ISO approved, and come with guarantee support. Our sales team includes multilingual employees speaking English, Russian, Spanish, Portuguese, and Japanese languages. Customized approach allows us to meet all customers' requirements. We provide OEM and ODM services along with marketing of our own brand. We sincerely welcome customers to visit our factory and know more about our high-quality products, competitive prices, prompt delivery schedules, and reliable services.